For years, talking to an AI meant opening a private tab. You ask a question, you get an answer, and nobody else sees it. Claude Tag changes that architecture. It puts a persistent, asynchronous AI directly inside a shared Slack thread, where your whole team can delegate tasks and pick up exactly where someone else left off. But putting an autonomous agent into your company's communication hub requires strict guardrails. We're going to deploy this agent into a private, sandboxed channel, lock down its tool access, and set strict budget caps, all in under 5 minutes. Before we begin, you need 4 things in place. You must be on a Claude team or enterprise plan. You need owner status in Claude, admin rights in Slack, and dedicated service accounts for any external tools you plan to connect. We start with a private pilot channel for a very specific reason. An agent that reads every channel absorbs every conversation. A controlled test prevents context from bleeding across departments and keeps your wider organization's workflows running without disruption. Step 1 is the handshake. The integration process starts inside your Slack administrative environment, where you control Workspace permissions. Head over to your Claude admin settings and click the Setup button. This redirects you to the Slack marketplace, where you will authorize the application to access your workspace. Once authorized, open any channel in your Slack workspace and type the command /Claude Connect. Slack will immediately return a secure pairing code. This code is only valid for 15 minutes, ensuring the connection window stays tight. Copy that string, return to your Claude admin panel, and paste it into the prompt. The pipeline between Claude and Slack is now active, but at this stage, the agent has zero access to your company's data. It cannot read your CRM or pull from your repositories until permissions are explicitly granted. Defining those permissions is handled by the access bundle. This is a named set of credentials and rules that determine exactly which tools and repositories this specific Claude identity is allowed to see. When you build this bundle, you must use dedicated service account credentials. Do not link personal employee logins, so that the agent's actions are always clearly attributed to the system, not an individual. If you drop an agent with broad access into your entire workspace, it will attempt to synthesize data from everywhere at once. Instead, we scope the installation to a single, isolated channel. In the Setup Wizard, apply your new access bundles strictly to the private pilot channel we designated earlier. Avoid assigning your initial access bundle to a public, high-traffic area like your general channel. By locking the access bundle to a private space, the agent builds an accurate, isolated memory from the conversations happening there, ensuring sensitive information stays exactly where it belongs. Because Claude Tag operates asynchronously, it can break tasks down and execute them over hours or days without waiting for human input. That autonomy carries a very real financial risk for the enterprise. To control those costs, navigate to the Billing and Limits tab in the Setup Wizard. Here, you will establish a custom hard token spend limit specifically for this pilot channel. If the agent hits this cap, the failsafe triggers. Claude simply pauses all operations in that specific channel until the billing window resets. Without this guardrail, a single viral thread could run continuously and drain your organization's entire token balance overnight. Capping the channel transforms AI usage from an unpredictable liability into a fixed, manageable operational expense. With your boundaries set, toggle the switch to Turn on Claude Tag. The agent is now online. Now we must address the Ambient mode setting. This is a setting that allows the agent to monitor conversations and interject proactively, even when no one tags it directly. For this initial pilot, verify that Ambient mode is disabled. You want the agent waiting for instructions, not interrupting your team's workflow. Head into your private pilot channel to run a connection test. Mention the @Claude tag and give it a basic prompt that does not require external tools. You will see the agent switch to an "is thinking" status while processing the request, followed by a complete text reply in the thread. Launching strictly as a reactive tool ensures your human team dictates the pace of the work. You get to observe how the AI handles its tasks and build trust before introducing any autonomous behavior. You now have a fully functional, multiplayer AI teammate running safely in a locked-down, budget-controlled environment. For the next week, monitor the administrative task logs. Watch how your colleagues hand off work to the agent and pick up threads where others left off. You are looking for an operational threshold, high signal in completed tasks, low conversational noise, and a baseline of user comfort. Once your team hits that threshold, administrators can author new access bundles and deploy isolated agents to your legal, engineering, and support departments. Mastering this rollout methodology prevents the confusion of a chaotic migration. It establishes the agent as a structured, predictable enterprise asset.